This man defending democracy. Zelensky signs NSDC decision to ban religious organizations affiliated with Russia, claimed by him to be affiliated and them to be affiliated with Russia. So he signed the decision by the National Security and Defense Council, which initiates the ban on religious organizations affiliated with Russia. And so basically what this guy has done has banned a religion that has actually condemned the Russian invasion of Ukraine. And this is the defender of democracy, Zelensky. What has he done? He has banned opposition parties. He's arrested opposition politicians. He's banned opposition or media that in any way criticizes him. He's sending the military into churches and into monasteries. Now he's banned a religion. And the West is sending billions of dollars to him, which disappears into the ether, claiming he's defending democracy. And what we're looking at, see, China's a blueprint. Well, Ukraine is a blueprint for the world that this cult wants it to be.